Number 2, what are we interested in? You want to know grams of bismuth sulfide. But what did they give you? They gave you 50 milliliters of 0.25 molar of the potassium sulfide there. So you have 50 milliliters of 0.25 molarity. So remember that molarity is equal to the moles per liter. So you can't do anything in milliliters. You got to convert that to liters. So again, if we're in milliliters and we want to go to liters, we got to divide 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 0.05 liters. Those things should become second nature to you as you do these problems. If you're getting hung up on how many decimal places to move these, you need to make sure you do a bunch of practice problems for that. So again, this is your real world. This is your moles down here. So I've got liters and I've got molarity. So I now have molarity in liters. I have molarity in liters, and I want to get the moles. So I'm going to have to multiply those two numbers together, and I end up with 0.0125 moles that are here. But now I want to go across the way. So I've got 2 here, and right there is an imaginary 1 there. So, whoopsie, I looked at that wrong. I apologize. It is the 3 and the 1 that we care about here, not the 2. Got a little bit aggressive there. So it's the 3 and the 1. So I'm going to come over this way by a third, because again, you're starting at 3 and you're going to 1, so you're going down. Always multiply by where you're going, divide by where you came from, so you're going to multiply that guy by a third. So you end up with 0.00417 moles here, if I've done my math right. And now I need to get back out of chemistry world into the real world, and they want me to go to the gram part of town. So in order to do that, I have to add up the molar mass of 2 bismuths, 2 Bis, and 3 sulfurs. So I'm going to multiply that by its molar mass, which is 514.3 grams per mole. Again, assuming I've done my math right. And if that is the case, then I should end up with about 2.14 grams of the bismuth sulfide that is there.